Okay students, so in our last class we learned about diversity and discrimination, right? Diversity means when there are various languages, cultures, then it is known as diversity. Suppose I am giving examples: diverse people, diverse cultures, diverse language, diverse trees. Diverse trees means what? Many kind of trees. Diverse animals mean many kind of animals. Then diverse religion means many kind of religions such as Sikh, Muslim, Hindu, Jain, Jainism. Many various kinds of religion are there. Yes or no? Languages are also of many kinds. So diverse means of many kinds. And discrimination means when we divide people on the basis of their religion, caste, language, then it is known as discrimination. We don't need to discriminate people. Okay, that is the meaning of diversity and discrimination. Is it clear to you now? Then next it will come prejudice. So what is prejudice? Just that I explained you that prejudice means when you have a dislike for someone. Suppose in your class some poor students are there. Suppose they are not good in studies. They are poor at reading. Okay, what you used to do them? You used to laugh at them. Yes or no? You used to laugh at the student saying that he don't know how to read. He don't score good marks in exams. These are the kind of a negative kind of compliment you are giving, a negative kind of comment you are giving. Not compliment, sorry, comment you are giving to a person. So what it is known? It is known as prejudice. Means disliking someone without any reason. If you are disliking that person without any reason, then it is known as the prejudice. Okay, and these things learn at home. Then next comes stereotype. I explain this stereotype also. Stereotype means when you are having a fixed image. Fixed image means that girls need to cook at home. They need to stay at home. Then the boys will go outside the home and they will work and feed the children. Yes, that kind of concepts you used to have. Like the girls have to sit at home and the boys need to go outside of home. Boys can play cricket but the girls cannot play cricket. Yes or no? Then again some examples are given. Yes, if we say all tribals are uneducated. Okay, there are some example I will give. You think that the Adivasi people don't used to educate. The Adivasi people don't used to educate their children. So it is known as prejudice. If you are having an image on a person, without any reason, then it is known as the stereotype. Okay, and examples are also given. See, boys are usually brought up to believe they are superior to girls. Superior means they are higher in quality. I explained you one concept yesterday. One term I mentioned you yesterday, that was inferior. Inferior means low in quality. Okay, and superior means high in quality. High quality. So boys are usually brought up. Brought up means they are brought up. They are grown up in home. The boys are grown up at home to believe that they are higher than the girls. Yes or no? Some parents used to give more focus, more attention to their boy children than the girl child. And it is an example of stereotype. Then see, they are even discouraged from choosing occupations like nursing, dancing, etc. All this you will understand by reading the paragraph. Then next is stereotype on the basis of gender. Just now I gave you an example. Boys, see, the girls are given toys to play, while the boys are given the cars and the guns. Yes, all these things are given to boys. So this is a kind of stereotype the parents are creating. Okay, that the girls have to play with toys and the boys need to play with cars only. Then a girl cannot be a pilot. Then a boy can't be a cook. Yes or no? This kind of negative things we used to have in our mind. All these negative things are known as stereotype. Have you understood the concept? If you haven't understood the concept, you can ask me by WhatsApp. Okay, you message me, text me something. If you don't understand, then you can ask me. I will explain the things to you. I will try to be more descriptive in explaining. Okay, then next comes stereotype on the basis of region, race and religion. Yes, suppose we are having region, we are neglecting the poor places, right? Some poor places we used to neglect those places, means those people are not good. We used to have some such kind of images about them, that they are not good in studies, not good family, they don't used to have good knowledge. We used to neglect them, and that is known as stereotype. And again, on the basis of race, yes, white and black, white people are more intelligent than the black people. This kind of thoughts we used to have, right? And this kind of thoughts are known as stereotype. And next, again, it comes to religion. We are having such kind of, suppose some of the reason, in some regions the Muslim girls are not treated equally with the boys. Okay, the Muslim girls are not, the parents don't send the Muslim girls to school, but they used to send the boys to the school. They used to give them higher education so that they will become more active in life. So we used to have stereotype on the basis of religion also. Okay, so you have understood the concept about stereotype. You can slow down the video and